Binigyan na ng parangal ang mga pinakapaboritong pelikula sa Toronto International Film Festival. Bagamat hindi napili rito ang mga pelikulang gawang Pinoy, itinuturing pa rin itong malaking tagumpay ng Pilipinas. Narito ang report ni Teresa Redula.
And I thank all of you for coming to TIFF, for celebrating cinema.
Sa pagtatapos ng 11 araw na pagdiriwang sa Toronto International Film Festival ng mga pelikulang gawang Pinoy, patuloy itong ipinagmamalaki ng Film Development Council of the Philippines o FDCP.
For our films to be selected, malaking karangalan para sa atin yun, diba?
Ito ang unang pagkakataong opisyal na nakilahok ang FDCP sa TIFF, isang ahensya na napapailalim sa Office of the President of the Philippines. Prioridad nila ng kanilang grupo sa Toronto na suportahan ang mga napiling Filipino movies at palawakin ang pakikilahok ng Philippine Film Commission sa North America.
We have a lot to offer, not just locations but also competent services, no? We have highly skilled talents, creative people back home, and it would be nice for the world to see what we can do as far as filmmaking is concerned.
Pero bukod sa mga pelikula, naibida rin sa TIFF para sa mga gumagawa ng pelikula ang kagandahan ng mahigit 7,000 isla sa Pilipinas.
We actually got a mix of inquiries from Filipino filmmakers who are based in Canada, foreign filmmakers who are simply interested to know more about how it's like to film in the Philippines. What are the incentives and opportunities available for, let's say, partnerships?
Ang rebate at incentives na kanyang tinutukoy. Ang Film Location Incentive Program na posibleng umabot ng hanggang 25 million pesos rebate para sa mga kwalipikado. Pati na rin ang International Co-Production Fund, isa ring incentive na aabot din ng hanggang 10 million pesos. Isang halimbawa raw nito ang pelikulang Vietnam, natampok din sa TIFF at sa prestihiyosong Cannes Film Festival.
It's a co-production between the Philippines and many other countries actually. Despite it being a Vietnamese film, it is a showcase of what Filipino producers can do. They believed in the story. They were able to put together funding to make the story happen. That's just a testament of what we really can do in front of and behind the camera.
Aniya ngayong laganap ang social media at mga streaming platforms. Mahalaga lalo ang suporta ng komunidad sa industriya ng mga pelikula.
Now when you create content and when you do films, you don't just think of your local audience, you think global. And I believe that Filipino talents can also do the same. We are capable of creating stories that transcend boundaries. That's why we are very aggressive in making sure that when a film is selected, at some point the FDCP, support them in one way or another.
Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.